Ang mga opisyal ng Tarlac at buong Region 3. Nangako rin ang PCTA ng maayos na paglilipatan
So guys, here is a flower. Mules of flower. Our mushroom.
natin ang Philippine Space Week na matapos sa pag-aaral ng ating kalawakan. Kabilang siya sa ilang pinalad ng
Utaking ini na. Tingnan mo. Pwede tapos na lahat.
Solar cell check, o kaya naman we do geological sampling, so last in the last 2 months after I graduated, my friend ako si Dave, ating first analog astronaut. Sabi niya, oh, may opportunity ko na you will not be an astronaut going to space, but you can test and simulate how it feels like to be an astronaut. So, sige, mag-apply ako.
Like a zombie.
Medical check-up just to see an effect ng isolation dun sa ating mga parang yun yung inspiration. I was motivated to join this mission because there are very few Filipinos joining the Analog Astronaut mission. You have to trust that you are capable of small things. You can also do the adaptation stages of the